What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad's Simply Cooking. And today, we're making chicken Cordon Bleu Casserole. We're going to need a pot for water. Fill said pot up with water. Water's filled on stovetop high, so we want it to get the heat. Okay? If you got rigatoni noodles, use those. That's what I was hoping I had. Don't have those. No, don't have those. That's fine. We will improvise. That's what we do. Okay? It's the whole point of here. We use what we got. What do we have? We have a bunch of small shells. Like, we have a bunch. We do have spaghetti noodles, but I don't really want to use spaghetti noodles. I'm not going to go to the store to buy those noodles, just come home to film it. I use what I have. Okay? Avocado oil in my pan. I got my chicken already cut and in a wonderful marinade of honey mustard. I got ham in a package with a half a package right there. That looks like it's gonna be enough. Get that straggler. So in this pan, the second pan, the one that's empty on the other screen, here's what we're going to do. We are going to do 1/4 cup of butter. 1/4 cup of butter, or 1/4 cup of butter, 4 tablespoons of butter. Boop. We're going to let that melt down. Okay. Now with our chicken, I did not season anything. Wanted to wait for y'all. Okay. So I'm going to hit it with a little bit of onion powder. We're going to slide it in with some of that delicious roasted garlic Asiago. A little bit of that Italian seasoning. A little bit of that garlic. On top of the garlic we already just added. Some Parmesan ranch. And of course, the red chili flakes. We're going to give that a good mixing. So, get my flour. We get 2 tablespoons. Uno. Dos. Tres. We're making a roux. That's what we're making. We're making a roux. That's the best way to tell y'all. And we're going to use some minced garlic in our roux. Or garlic! Yeah, we're fighting the vampires off. Go ahead and just mix that all around. Get a putty with it. Normally you match your butter with your roux, with the flour. I don't know what I was thinking. So 4 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons. So you do 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, vice versa. It's always matching. We have chicken stock here for a reason. To use it. I knew I seen my cup. So 2 cups of chicken stock, or chicken broth, whatever. Mine's great value because it was great value. Oh, perfect amount too. 2 cups chicken broth. Grab your favorite beaten down whisk that has seen better days. 2 cups of heavy cream. Just start whisking together. We'll slowly start getting there. My water is boiling. Noodles. Box. Now, typically, cordon bleu, Swiss cheese, letting y'all down. Failing y'all. Y'all relying on me. I ain't got Swiss cheese. What I do have, I got some mozzarella, and I got some pepper jack. We had to make it work. Handful and a half of mozzarella cheese. Go in with that pepper jack. All right, take my chicken off the burner. Almost forgot. Pepper. Noodles. See, look, it's finally getting thick. 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Red chili flakes. How I think Dijon mustard. Honey mustard. I know what you're thinking. You sure are making thing or something you don't have a lot of things for. Roll what you got. This is more realistic. If you're at the house, you might not have everything. Roll what you got. Alright. Got my chicken. I got my ham. Kind of like mix everything up together. Get it getting coated before we add our sauce in. And then go ahead and start coating everything. Mozzarella on the top. Yeah, or Swiss. You put the Swiss on top. Go ahead, melt down that leftover butter you have from the 4 tablespoons you used earlier. Breadcrumbs into said butter. I'm using Italian breadcrumbs or panko. And give it a circle. And just like that, we got breadcrumbs. And just like that, into the oven for 350. Oh yeah. Bowl. Oh. Creamy. It smells so good. Let me give it that taste try. I really want to go for the chicken and the ham. Chicken and ham. It tastes like a cordon bleu. With that, I'm going to go feed these hungry kids and enjoy this. Thank y'all so much for being here, liking, commenting, subscribing, everything else. I hope y'all enjoy this today. So y'all, if you will, crush that thumbs up button. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how you're doing, how your weekend's going, how your Labor Day was, whatever. If you're going through some stuff, prayer request, or whatever. I appreciate y'all being here, part of my family. I love y'all. Catch you in the next one.